Have you ever had one of those days where absolutely everything is going wrong, your stress levels are through the roof, but when someone asks how you're doing, you flash a giant smile and say, "Oh, I'm fine." And then by the time you finally get home, you feel like you've just run a marathon, even though you just sat at a desk all day.
Today, we're unboxing the fake smile exhaustion. We're going to look at why pretending to be okay when you're secretly falling apart drains your physical energy faster than almost anything else. Let's get into it. Here's the thing. We all wear masks. When you're at work or with people you don't know well, you can't exactly break down crying over a spreadsheet. But keeping that mask up requires something called emotional labor. You aren't just tired from your emails or your commute. You are physically exhausted from the act of suppressing your true emotions. Your brain is working overtime to build a giant concrete dam against a raging river of stress. And holding that dam up, it takes a ridiculous amount of calories. And this brings us to the shaken soda can effect. Imagine every stressful email, every annoying comment, and every hidden anxiety is a violent shake to a can of soda. By smiling and saying, "I'm fine," you aren't removing the carbonation, you're just stubbornly holding your thumb over the tab. Psychologically, this is known as emotional suppression. When you suppress, your amygdala, the brain's threat center, actually signals your sympathetic nervous system to work harder. Your heart rate goes up, your blood pressure spikes, and your muscles tense up, but your face is frozen in a pleasant smile. Your body is fighting a literal war that your face is pretending doesn't exist. No wonder you want to sleep for a week. So, how do we stop the explosion? Look, you don't have to trauma dump on your barista. The goal is controlled release. First, practice emotional granularity. Instead of just saying, "I feel bad," internally admit, "I am overwhelmed," or "I am deeply frustrated." Just naming the emotion accurately slightly opens the tab. Next, find your safe release valves. Whether it's journaling, venting to one trusted friend, or just letting yourself have a totally unfiltered, ugly scowl in your car for 5 minutes before you walk into the house. It takes a lot of strength to hold it all together, but it takes even more courage to admit when you're running on empty. You don't have to be fine all the time. If this video hit a little too close to home, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We unbox our messy human brains here every week. Take a deep breath, and I'll see you next time.